All right, so on this one, this was really dry and had some dirt inside the hinges, so. Sorry, the camera lady is making faces at me. This one was really dry and had some dirt in the hinges, so what we did is went through, sprayed all the hinges down, and then lifted the door up manually, giving each panel a chance to turn a few times at the turn, so it'll work the hinges and let the lubricant get inside there. Did that one time, sprayed it down a second time. Most doors are going to require that just once, so we did it 2 times on this just because it was pretty bad. So we'll have a listen and see how it sounds now.